This video, we're gonna take a look at Wise, Paypenny, and Remitly to see which one is better. So we're gonna start from the least good one. So we have Paypenny, which has only the apps available and it's not that used if you compare it with these two. Now Remitly again is a good one if you want to send fast and securely money to these countries. So you have India, Philippines, Pakistan, etc. And then we have Wise, in my opinion the best one out there, and you can even use it for business things. And the great thing about this is that you can create debit cards. As you can see, you can receive money instantly, and overall is the best one out of these three. So if you want something good, go with Wise. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.